The Bharatiya Janata Party government at the center and at the state has inflicted tremendous sufferings on the common person. The central government and इतले प्रेस पेट्रोल and डिझेलाचो वयर काढला की every essential commodity along with that has gone to such an extent that it become difficult for the common man to have his roti and kapda. The state government is only making promises. The law and order in such a situation, the women folk, for the first time in the history of Goa, are so unsecure. Rapes, murders are not even being detected, which is known today that we are facing a double engine disaster. At this time, I am sure that every Goan in the 2022 election is just waiting for a chance to cast their franchise in favor of the TMC and bring the TMC to power so that the women and the common folk are saved from all these untold miseries.